Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 3.5 liter PowerBoost full hybrid engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. We do get a tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera, a nice bedliner on this vehicle with a tailgate step. We got mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, side view camera, turn light indicated mirrors, and move to the front. We got recovery hooks, front view camera, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, cup holders and storage. We got a 12-volt rear vent with USB and USB-C, 120 volt, and a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat, powered passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, and locks. We got spotlights, tailgate lights, park mic, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 100,546 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, talk-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control, digital speedometer. We got my view, trip and field, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got a collapsible gear slug, storage cup holders, more storage here with some outlets, center console with tons of more storage. We do get 4-wheel drive modes, and rear locking diff, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, dual climate up front with heated front seats, 12-volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window over there. We got our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and Pro Power Onboard with 360 view of the vehicle, different camera angles, plus hazards, traction and hill, media controls. We got your audio here as well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, your navigation where you can search recent saves, zoom in and out, which is pretty handy, with your fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard. Any apps you may download will show up right in here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8421, and you can head on in to PG Ford or give us a call.